Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphics. Today in this video, I will show you how to create dented can mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the can. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And after that, pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the can size. Reduce the opacity and convert it into smart object, and double click on smart object icon and import the design here. Go to file, place embedded and import design and transform it and hit OK and press Ctrl S to save and close this tab and create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply and go to blending options and move the underlying slider and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. Your dented can mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.